I'm Tom Graham. I'm from Hinsdale, Massachusetts. I found Tom Bird seminars on the web, called and inquired about it. My first seminar was 6 weeks ago in La Jolla. I just completed my second seminar and my second book in 6 weeks. I can tell you that being an engineer, being left-brained, it was difficult for me to start and really believe in the process. But once I got through, started in the process, and through Gwen's help with the breathing, it really helped me accelerate and really focus my energy towards the goal, which was getting my first book done. This is my second seminar, and I can tell you it was a lot. It was easy. It was just incredibly smooth with the coaching, the mentoring, the hand-holding that this team does for you. Is just incredible. You're welcome to call me on my cell number if you ever need assistance or have questions. The integrity of this team is phenomenal. They will help you get through whatever fears or blockage that you feel are putting up in front of you. So good luck.